Have you ever wondered who has the authority to make laws or punish people who break them? When we think of the power in United States, we usually think it was the president, but he does not act alone. In fact, he is a single piece of the powerful puzzle. So let's watch about how the powers are distributed in USA. Before getting into the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Your top comments are picked up for our new upcoming videos. When the American Revolution ended in 1783, the United States government was in state change. The founding forefathers knew that they don't want to establish another country that was ruled by a king again. The discussions were started for having a strong and fair national government, which should protect individual freedom and do not abuse its power. When the new constitution was adopted in 1787, the structure of the infant government of the United States called for 3 separate branches that work very well and with well-defined powers. This would strongly ensure that no one branch ever becomes too much powerful and dominates the other branches. Always checks and balances other branches and run the country peacefully and set all the guidelines for the US to live by. The 3 branches evolved are legislative branch, executive branch and judiciary branch. The legislative branch is described briefly in Article 1 of US Constitution. Many people of US feel that the founding forefathers put this branch in first article because they found it as more important ones. The legislative branch comprises of 100 US senators, 435 representatives in total of 535 seats. Formerly known as US Congress, making laws is its primary function. But it is also responsible for approving federal judges and justices, passing the national budget, declaring the wars when needed. Each state have 2 senates and some representatives depending on the area and population. The second one is executive branch. Executive branch is described in Article 2 of the US Constitution. The leaders of the branch are President and Vice President. These are most responsible for forcing the laws that are set by the US Congress. President closely works with a group of advisors known as cabinet. These are the helpers assisted to the president in making important decisions with their knowledge in areas such as defense, treasury and homeland security. Here, importantly, executive branch appoints governmental officials at different sectors, commands the army forces and also meet the leaders of the other nations for world, business, trade and international treaties. Executive branch is simply combining lot of work for a lot of people. In fact, that executive branch employees work over entire US population to get everything done. The third branch is judicial branch and detailed in Article 3 of the US Constitution. The branch is composed of all the levels of courts in the land from the federal district courts to the Supreme Courts of US. These courts interpret nation's laws and punishes those who break them. Highest court, the Supreme Court, settles the disputes among the states by hearing the appeals of the federal courts and strives to protect their constitution. There were 9 benches of justices on the Supreme Court. Unlike any other jobs in government of US, Supreme Court justices are appointed for the lifetime or as far as they wanted to stay. US democracy purely depends on informed citizenry. And it is very elegant to know how it works and what authority each branch of government has over its citizens. Besides voting, sometimes people are called up to participate in the government and chances are there to work in it. Whether it may be serving people or testifying the court or petitioning on Congress persons whether to pass or defeat an idea of the law. By knowing all the 3 branches, you can be involved, informed and intelligent about the government of the US. Don't forget to like the video and comment your innovative thoughts. By the way, my dear friends, I wanted to know from which different areas my dear friends are from. Please comment if you are interested. Thank you friends, signing off, take care, bye bye.